Topic is functions with structure. Structure can be passed as an argument to a function and can be used by the functions for performing operations on them. There are three methods by which the values of the structure can be transferred from one function to another. Now, first method, passing structure to a function by value. Second method, passing structure to a function by address, that is reference. And third method, no need to pass a structure, that is declare structure variable as global. Now here we discuss first method, passing structure to a function by value or argument. In the program, the whole structure is passed to another function by value. It means the whole structure is passed to another function with all members and their values. So this structure can be accessed from called function. So this example shows the demonstration use of passing structure element to the function. See the example of passing structure to a function by value or argument. Next method is passing structure to a function by address, that is reference. In this program, the whole structure is passed to another function by address. It means only the address of the structure is passed to another function. The whole structure is not passed to another function with all members and their values. So this structure can be accessed from the called function by its address. So this example shows the demonstrate use of passing structure element to the function by address. See the example. This is a good example for passing structure to a function by address, that is a reference. Next method is no need to pass structure, that is declare structure variable as global. Structure variables also can be declared as global variables as we declare other variables. So when a structure variable is declared as global, then it is visible to all the functions in a program. And this example shows the demonstrate no need of pass a structure, declare structure variable as a global. So this is the best example how best example for no need of pass a structure, declare structure variable as global. See this example, and this is the output of this example.